Hey guys, you can see we have this beautiful Spiderman monogram for kids, and it is made up of quality aluminum composite material. You can paste it on any wall or any wooden cupboard or even in your kid's bedroom, and it comes with the two-way industrial tape. You can paste it or you can even use the screws to fit, and you can see the name is written as Spiderman. You can customize and you can write the name of your own child, and these monograms come with three different colors. One is the red, and then this golden mirror color. This also looks beautiful, and my personal favorite is silver brush looks great, and most of the customers prefer this silver color. So yes, we have three different colors, and in few monograms we have recently introduced this pink colors because the girls prefer pink color, and these are the requests by a few parents. So right now we have recently introduced pink color. So yes, this is the cool Spider-Man. So if your child is a fan of Spider-Man, gift him the monogram, or even you can gift to any other child in your relative, in your friend circle, and just paste it on the wall, and it looks great. So to order these monograms, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. See you on the other side.